it's Olivia from That Vegan Jew on Welfare, and today I have made cupcakes with no frosting, but a delicious strawberry spread filling. Also, this is a Tabitha brown plate. She is a vegan. You can buy it at Target. I got these so I wouldn't have the traditional red and pink this time of the season. Polka dots, it's gold rimmed. So excited. You know what else I'm excited about? Our new cupcake, muffins, anything, holders. These are made out of silicone. They're dishwasher safe, microwave safe, oven safe, freezer, refrigerator safe. They are so slippy and slidey. Just comes out. They come in a pack of 12. There's 2 of each color. The way these are, even if you throw a lot of kid parties, you still save the environment because they come out like that and you serve it like that. They're very easy to clean up. I would just rinse this out, and if I wanted it sterilized, like I served children this during the RSV thing that's going around, I would put it in the dishwasher to sterilize it. So yeah, check out our products and keep checking back because we're going to really rock your mind with what we have found on the internet next. As usual, all proceeds will go to sustain the site and our outreach efforts. Our secret is that we want to reach every single human being on planet Earth with our message of economically sustainable veganism. So if you'll stay tuned, I'll show you how to fill these with delicious strawberry spread from the food bank. See you next time. This is a new recipe that I'm trying out. I'm trying to make chocolate cupcakes with strawberry jam. The intention is to forego the sugar for the strawberry jam. You could also use sugar-free jam. Let's make these out of Splenda. But right now, what I'm going to be showing you with my fabulous new silicone baking cups is how to make one of these with no special tools involved. No pipettes, nothing. You just need some spoons. I'm going to fill up a baking cup. And kind of make it even all around. I'm going to take a small teaspoon type spoon and dig yourself a hole that you can get out of. This is take on the thumbprint cookie, actually. It's better than a thumbprint cookie, hopefully. A chocolate thumbprint cupcake. And you want to bake these on 350 degrees for about 30 minutes.